Good morning, student. Today we are going to study a last topic of capital adjustment in the retirement. It is very important today's topic because in this adjustment the firm is going to maintain the cash balance as well as payment of retiring partner. Let's see what the maintenance of cash balance in this question. My dear students, in this question, Jiten, James and Suman are partners. Okay, they have a profit sharing ratio 5:3:2. In this firm, James is going to retire. So James is going to retire. It means what happened? The firm is going to maintain the cash balance here 3000 rupees. Okay, the cash balance the firm is going to maintain 3000 rupees cash balance out of 4000 rupees. It is the today's main objective is that maintenance of cash and bank balance out of 4000 3000 rupees. So how to make the payment of the James? Simple. So James is going to pay by whom? Jiten and Suman. It means it is a clearly instruction that there is no installment is here. So James is going to retire. It means James is paid by whom? Jiten and Suman. Okay. So how what in which ratio is going to be? There is mentioned 3:2 is the ratio. My dear student, first we have to calculate. What is the calculation part? Calculation part is total adjusted capital of Jiten and Suman. Okay. Total adjusted capital of Jiten and Suman. Adjusted capital is given in this question, but in the long question it has to be calculated. Okay, so total adjusted capital of Jiten capital is 43,200. Okay, 43,200 plus Suman capital is 11,200. It is mentioned here. Okay, so the total capital is here it is mentioned 43,200 and 11,200. So total adjusted capital of existing partner is equal to how much? 54,400. 54,400. It is the total adjusted capital. So first you have to calculate the total adjusted capital of existing partner. In this question existing partner is Jiten and Suman. Okay, so next task is that you have to calculate the shortage of cash. My dear student, the shortage of cash is going to be calculated. What amount is going to be paid to the James? So in this question you have to calculate James. What amount is going to be paid? Here it is mentioned 36,600. So I am going to calculate shortage of cash. Shortage means deficiency. Shortage of cash. Okay. So you need to calculate first paid to James. What amount to the paid to James? First you write paid to James. What is the amount? 36,600. Next, whatever the amount should be maintained to the balance, that is 3,000 rupees. Okay, that is 3,000 rupees. So cash balance is equal to 3,000 rupees. Yani it means you have to required balance. Required cash balance is rupees 3,000. Okay, now you have to existing cash balance is rupees 4,000, so you have to deduct all those things are going to be minus. So existing cash balance is going to be deduct. So cash in hand rupees 4,000. So what is the shortage of cash here? Shortage of cash means whatever the amount James is going to pay, that is 36,600, and required cash balance should be in the form 3000, and you have to minus 4000. It calculate the shortage of cash. The shortage of cash is equal to 35,600. You have to write 35,600. Okay, this is the shortage of cash. Now the next task is that what you have to write here. Name of the partner who are existing. First Jiten, second Suman. They are existing partners, so they are going to retain. So new capital. So I want to draw the new capital, that is 90,000 rupees. So you have to first add the shortage of cash here. Shortage of cash is equal to 35,600. Okay, so this amount is going to be required by existing partner. So total amount is 90,000 rupees. Okay, now what happened? This 90,000 is going to be maintained by whom? Jiten and Suman in 3:2. Okay, Jiten and Suman in 3:2. It means 3 by 5, 2 by 5. Okay, 3 by 5 means 54,000. Okay, and 36,000. This is the going to be new capital of the Jiten and Suman. It is the new capital of the Jiten and Suman. Okay, so it is a very simple calculation. Now we are going to calculate. What amount is going to be existing capital. So first you write the, I am going to write here existing capital and new capital. Write down new capital. First column is Jiten, second column is Suman. Okay, what is the new capital here? 54,000 rupees. Suman capital is 36,000. Okay, simple. What is the existing capital? Existing capital means adjusted capital of Jiten and Suman. It is already mentioned in the question, that is 43,200. 43,200. Okay, 43,200, and next is that 11,200. Okay, that is the existing capital. Now you have to calculate the difference value. Here difference is what? In this situation existing capital is less than new capital. So Jiten is going to bring cash. How much he is going to bring the cash? 10,800 rupees. He is going to bring 10,800 rupees. Okay. Next is that what is the difference here? In this situation also, what happened? New capital is more than existing capital. How much? 24,800. So both are going to bring this capital in the form of cash. Okay, so you have to require to pass the journal entry, my dear student. So you have to write here cash account debit to Jiten, capital account to Suman, capital account. Okay, write down here. The first is going to 10,800, 24,800. What is the total? 35,600. 35,600. My dear student, very simple. You have to know. Let's, once I am going to recall this all the things here. Today we have studied whatever the amount they are going to bring by the existing partner, because in this adjustment they want to maintain 3,000 rupees cash balance out of 4,000 rupees. So we have to calculate the shortage of cash. Shortage of cash means, my dear student, whatever the amount required to pay to the retiring partner. Okay, so you see here the shortage of cash is 35,600 they have to require, because after retirement of James, they required this amount for maintaining the capital. So they have to total 54,400 plus 35,600, total capital requirement is 90,000. So the existing partner, they want to maintain this balance with the new ratio. Okay, they have to maintain new ratio. New capital of Jiten is 54,000 and Suman is 36,000. My dear student, so we have to calculate the whatever the cash brought. In this situation, both partner are going to bring the cash because there is shortage of cash plus whatever the existing capital they want to maintain. So you see here the value 35,600 is the shortage of cash. Here they are going to bring. So we have already passed the journal entry, cash account debited to Jiten capital to Suman capital. So it is very important, my dear student, today's topic, because in long question you have to calculate this existing capital with the help of the partner's capital account, but it is a short question. So in your exam the long question will come and you will see whatever the cash balance they are going to maintain for future. Okay, my dear student, I hope you understand very well.